Yeah, rainy season here there is life.
Yes.
There is life. Otherwise, we're waiting for the rains.
Yes.
Yes.
Our perennial wait.
Yes.
Always for the rains.
So this is our zone 3. Along there, again, you can see the water structures. The swells all around here. And also around there, there's swells there. So this is our zone 3. We will wait for the rains to come.
Yeah.
Then
Do you have a lot of runoff in the rains?
Not really.
No, because it's fairly flat here. You know, I see there is a slight slope from over there being higher coming down this way.
Yeah.
But it's not such that I would expect that the swales are going to fill up every time a rain happens, is it?
No, we actually harvest every drop.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Don't let any escape if that's the case.
Yes. Yeah. So this is we grow. I want to put a lot of sorghums now. Is doing well here, and the millets. And these groundnuts.
Oh, okay.
The soil is good for that.
Yeah.
Or the legumes, yes. So we'll put them there.
And you don't have any big problems with birds in the sorghum or millet?
They're there, but you grow plenty and they'll leave you some. And it's part of giving them food.
Yes.
Yes. So the middle part here starts my zone 4.
Okay.
This is where I'm going to put my animals.
The animals, yeah.
Yes. So wherever you see a stone like this, we've done the history of our trees.
Oh, okay.
And we've taught people. So we do herbal value addition course here. So these trees, there are 3 different ones, but they're the same family.
This is an edible fruit.
Yes.
This is Vangaria.
So
I'm surprised the birds haven't eaten them all. Mind you, these probably got too dry when the rain stopped, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah. So quite medicinal and useful. Yeah. And for the animals as well. So we've done the history of our trees with the community here.
Oh, okay, nice.
So the beauty of that is they tell you in their own language. Here we call it this.
Yeah.
So we document. So
with so many languages across Zambia, it'll be something different even on the other side of Lusaka.
We've got the Sori and the Tonga so far, and the Shona.
Oh, is it Shona as well?
Our
Shona cousins coming up to...
Yes. Yeah, so this is how we documented our trees. We know how important they are and why we are leaving them.
Yeah.
So it will come a time when we have to put a name, but we want to learn more names first. Yeah. So if you know a tree, please give us a name today.
Oh, I can tell you the scientific names of these trees if you want.
Okay.
But yeah, no, you've got a nice kind of a spectrum. And here there's greater diversity than where we were, where there was mostly the Msakese.
Yes, you can see it there.
Here, you know, I haven't seen really an Msakese yet, but you've got your acacias, your albizia, your Sakuradaka. Yeah.
What do you call this one?
This is Pseudolachnostylus with those little green fruits.
Yes.
Dikaberry.
Yeah.
Yeah, and another one that they use for medicines as well, effectively as well. So,
so that's the richness of our place. So this is our zone 4, where we want to do that controlled feeding of grazing animals. So when they start from there, they will go and then they'll come like this.
Yeah. Do it like in a circle.
Yes.
Yeah, a rotational grazing.
Yes. Yeah. And you notice that all our land is cut, the grass is cut. Yeah. It's mulched like that. That's how we are encouraging our farmers to do. Everyone to do like that. You can see this tree, the way it is being dug there. Yeah. My mother was saved there. They use this is a fruit tree, you know. It starts from down there fruiting. It was black, like blacky. Black
little berries?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
This is the tree. So, and I was like, who dug like that? They saved because she had terrible severe diarrhea.
Oh, is it?
Severe diarrhea.
And they knew that the roots of this was...
They just gave her, and here she is today.
Oh, nice. This is the one thing that, you know, we don't have as much respect for the traditional medicines as we really should ultimately.
Yeah, we should. We should. Yeah. So everyone, as they knew. So
you'll have cattle and maybe goats in here.
Yeah, we'll have goats. Will be the last animal that I bring here. I have to prepare well for them.
Yes, goats, they need to be controlled. You can't just leave a goat to go to its own devices.
Yes. So you can see there's one beehive there. And there are already bees there.
They've already occupied and they're happy.
Yeah, happy.
And the acacia is out and flowering now so that they can now gather their nectar.
Yes, yes. They are happy doing that. And so along here, this is all zone 3. We just go around the
Okay,
wall.
so this is also part of the...
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And then starting from here, where we put that line going, so this is our zone 5, where we don't cut anything.
Oh, okay, so this will be like your wood lot.
Our wood lot, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Are you going to just leave it to grow, or are you going to plant some things in there to allow it to...
We just leave it to grow.
You just leave it to grow, okay.
And we harvest our zumbani.
Oh, the strong smelling one,
yes. So we're actually selling that stuff.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
As what do you sell it for?
As a medicine for cough.
Oh, okay.
We also make tinctures.
Yes.
Yes. So you see the pressure of water coming from all the way from there.
Yeah, it definitely helps going up 12 meters in the end.
Yes.
That is a very high distance.
Yes.
Much higher than most others in Zambia. I think my borehole or the tank is only 5 meters.
But that is harvesting
and kept
water.
nice and cool as it comes underground.
It comes out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the students then, this is a demonstration. So they were learning here how to do a mandala bed.
Mandala, yes.
So water harvesting, they were doing water harvesting. So they thought, no, they were using a frame.
Oh, to map out the contour.
Map out, yes. So when they were mapping, they discovered that it's low here. So they also said, now water should also come here. And they put a banana there. I keep watering that because...
Yeah, this time of year it needs it.
Yes. So, and then the middle part there, they put a banana there. So this is a mandala bed. So it's a big one. So the boy that you met, he was part of that group that they were designing here.
Okay.
Yes. So this is waiting for the rain. Manures and everything is there.
Yeah.
So I will do the dry planting, see what happens.
We're all
my
waiting
backup
for the rain.
is the water is there if anything goes dry. And then the swell, big swell they did.
Yeah.
So that.
Capture and infiltrate the water.
And then they want me to plant trees in there.
Oh, okay.
So that's water is used for that purpose.
I see, I see.
Yes.
On the ridges or in the valleys?
In the valleys.
In the valleys to plant the trees.
In there.
Fruit trees?
Fruit trees.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. So that water is, when this water comes, it will feed this area. Yes.